These are the two most powerful words in the human language. Whatever you place after them determines your destiny, not because of magic, but because of biological programming. Most people use I am as a death sentence. I am tired. I am broke. I am not good at this. They don't realize they are handing a blueprint to their subconscious and saying, build this reality. Today, we are going to explore the mechanics of manifestation. We aren't talking about wishing for a Ferrari, we are talking about the reticular activating system, the filter in your brain that decides what you see and what you miss. This is the manual on how to rebuild your reality from the inside out. What is manifestation? Manifestation is often dismissed as new age nonsense. But if we look at quantum physics and neuroscience, it's actually directional focus. Your brain processes millions of bits of data every second. It has to ignore 99% of it just to keep you sane. That 1% it lets through, that is your manifested reality. If you believe I am a failure, your brain will literally hide opportunities from you to protect your belief system. Manifestation is the act of consciously changing the filter. It's telling your brain, I am looking for success. Suddenly, the world looks different. You start seeing coincidences that were always there. You were just blind to them. The I am identity. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest who you are. In the build philosophy, your identity is the concrete. You cannot build a billion-dollar life on a minimum wage identity. Look at your self-talk. Do you say, I'm trying to be healthy? Or, I am an athlete. I'm trying to save money. Or, I am a wealth builder. When you say, I am, you trigger your identity consistency bias. Your brain hates being a hypocrite. If you tell yourself, I am a focused person, your brain will actually fight to keep you off TikTok because it wants to stay consistent with that label. How to build reality. This is the part most manifestation gurus miss. They tell you to visualize and wait. In this channel, we visualize and then we build. Your brain cannot distinguish between a memory and a vividly imagined future. If you spend 10 minutes a day seeing your success in high definition, your brain begins to treat it as a past victory. It gains confidence. Thought is the instruction. Emotion is the engine. You must feel the gratitude of the win before it happens. This shifts your nervous system out of stress, survival, and into creation, growth. Manifestation isn't a replacement for work. It's a multiplier for work. When you are aligned, you don't grind. You take action that feels obvious. You pick up the phone, you write the email, you show up. The danger of negative manifestation. This is the dangerous decade warning for your mind. You are always manifesting. If you spend your time worrying, you are simply praying for what you don't want. Worry is a high-intensity visualization of failure. Most people are world-class manifestors of disaster. They build fortresses of fear and wonder why they feel trapped. You must become the guardian of your I am, the command. Stop saying you want things. Wanting implies a lack. It tells the universe you don't have it. Start saying I am. Claim the identity before the evidence arrives. Build the internal structure and the external world will have no choice but to follow the blueprint. I want you to go to the comments right now. Don't write your goals. Write one powerful I am statement. I am a master of my focus. I am a builder of wealth. I am the architect of my life. Claim it. Build it. I'll see you in the next one.